Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate a dataset from R. I'm using PostgreSQL Cloud, but if you're in RStudio, the process is same. First, we look for the function called write. Then you will have different options of data structure that you can use to create the dataset. So for me, I'm gonna use write CSV, and that gives us the opportunity to write our data frame name here within the parentheses and few more code. So my data framework name is geo underscore data. It's already here, so I just select it, and then I put a comma to connect it with the file name, and the file name has to be within the code. So I put a double quote. You can go with single if you like. So I go with the double quote, and the file name is flood data underscore Bangladesh only dot CSV. Put a comma to separate it, and then row dot names equal false. So row.names equal false is an optional argument, and that tells R not to write the row numbers from my R data frame into the first column of the CSV file. So corresponding to the original row numbers in R, setting it to false, and it keeps the CSV file cleaner. Right, so now we run it, and now it has created a new dataset, and it is here, flood data Bangladesh only CSV. And if you now want to export it, you just select this dataset and then go to more settings here, and from the export, and then here you can rename the dataset if you want to. Otherwise, hit the download option here, and then the file will be downloaded. So friends, this is how you can use write function to create a new dataset. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.